A zebra's in the bathtub, brushing his hair. He's got bubble socks and a rubbery stare. A moose in shades is jamming on drums, while the kangaroo bounces and blows bubblegum. Animals on the loose today, doing silly stuff in a crazy way. Skateboards, tutus, flying balloons, dancing on clouds and howling at moons. A bear in boots is baking a pie with sprinkles that twinkle and fly through the sky. An octopus paints with 8 little hands, making rainbow swirls on marshmallow lands. Animals on the loose today, doing silly stuff in a crazy way. Skateboards, tutus, flying balloons, dancing on clouds and howling at moons. A bear in boots is baking a pie with sprinkles that twinkle and fly through the sky. An octopus paints with 8 little hands, making rainbow swirls on marshmallow lands. Look, a llama on a pogo stick, spinning in circles and doing a trick. A crocodile flossing to a funky beat, wearing headphones and shiny gold feet. The giraffe takes selfies with a bun and a phone. The raccoon's DJing with the traffic cone. They all sing loud on a wobbly bus, waving to you, come dance with us. Animals on the loose today, jumping, jiggling, come what may. Wiggly tails and spinning shoes, it's a wild and wacky animal cruise. Double domes.